Where are you from?
Okay, sure. Uh, Let me introduce myself. It would be much convenient for you to know about me, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So yeah, actually I belong to Bihar state, and I'm working as a teacher in a primary school. If I discuss about my core of interest, so I like to talk to new people and traveling different places. It is my hobbies, I would say. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
yeah.
all.
Thank you. And now I can introduce myself.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
My name is Kiramtu. I am from Odisha, and my district is Moyurbhanj, and my village name is Chenadua. And I am 23 years old. I am a BTech student. I am doing BTech right now. And if I tell about my family, there are one member in my family, and that's it all about me.
Oh, that's great. Fantabulous. So, how
Yeah,
long have you been working over your communication skill, spoken English?
I have been learning. I think it's been 1 month.
1 month. That's great. Okay, what is your
Yeah,
hobbies? What do you like at your free time?
nowadays, but my hobbies in maximum time it's going changing now. Nowadays, I like to talk other people to improve my English. Whenever I know about these apps, Sky apps, uh, from that time I talking to other people, and I am in beginner in this field in spoken English. That's why nowadays I like to talk to other people. Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Sounds very good, I would say. Okay. Do you have any hobbies of cooking? Do you like cook?
Yeah. I many time I like to cook. Even I did also.
Hmm.
I like to cook such a chicken. I like to cook chicken. Yeah.
Okay. Are you a spiritual
And
person or the are you a spiritual person?
yeah. I know about spiritual. Yeah, I believe in God. Yeah.
Wow, great. And I'm quite curious to know your study background.
Yeah. If I tell about my study background, I doing my what's say primary schooling from Saint Mary's School, which is located in our Odisha. There I doing my 1 to 5. I studied there, and after that I shift another school where I doing my 10th. After that,
Wow.
I did my BTech. Sorry, I did my diploma from near my house, which is Lakshmi Posi. I doing my diploma from Lakshmi Posi in civil engineering. After that, I join BTech in this is also our in district. My house from it may be 30 kilometers far from my house, and where I am doing right now. Also, I am final year student in BTech.
Wow, great. So what's your next step in your education?
Yeah, yeah, brother. It's very a good question from you. And now I am. I thought that now I first now priority is to improve my spoken English, and
Hmm.
it's also going on. And after that, I thought I have to prepare for UPSC exam. Um, I I thought that I will be attempt in life one time in life
Oh,
UPSC exam.
great.
That's why now I am preparing UPSC exam. But first time uh, I cannot understand anything. I am now I am now reading from NCRT books or a YouTube channel I am following to learn UPSC related something knowledge. Basic foundation mainly I am now learning from YouTube or other source.
Okay.
But if you ask me what is your main goal, then my main goal is now UPSC exam to clear UPSC exam.
Wow, great. After cracking a UPSC exam, like yeah, that's I think that would be the ultimate goal of yours. I'm right.
Yeah. And,
Okay. Do you know
and
about cancer?
yes, very famous cancer. Everyone knows. is a very famous. I like Khan sir and I follow Khan sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Khan sir from also Patna. Yeah, from your state.
Yeah, you're right. And you might be taking class as well, right?
Yeah, yeah. I attend a concert class on YouTube. Basically, I watching concert video on YouTube. So many video have concerts on YouTube.
Wow, great. I know, I think there are many, there are a lot of fan of Hansa, and he's a
Yeah,
really great teacher, I would say. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
so that's why every people like him, right?
yeah, yeah. Definitely, definitely. And brother, tell me about your qualification or your study life.
Yeah, sure. Uh, my study background, I also came from Hindi medium background, Hindi medium
Yeah,
school, I would say, and discuss about my profession. So I'm a teacher, I already said to you, and
yeah, yeah.
my qualification, I have done my graduation, BSc.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and nowadays
Brother,
I'm helping.
yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah, nowadays I'm helping. Yeah, any learners.
okay. Brother, if I ask you in English, as you said that we are from Hindi medium, or as I am from Odia medium,
Mm-hmm.
we have faced a lot of problem to learn English. Many people, many students want to learn English, but they don't know how to we learn English, how we have to follow the rule, or if what you want to tell about that people, what should we take a step, then we will learn English. What will be the
Okay,
step?
okay, okay. First, I am going to say one thing. Don't vibrate your phone. Okay, you vibrate too
Okay,
much your phone, so you just okay. And yeah, I would like to give the recommend all my beginners, like if anyone want to improve their communication, their spoken English. So first of all, they have to listen much more. Okay,
okay,
listening much
okay,
more, it will help you to consume out. Okay, and it will help you frequently. You can construct any sentence in a proper manner. Okay,
okay,
listening that would be very impactful over your overall your personalities. Okay, and reading also is very essential. If you will go
okay.
through the reading base, so you are going to learn vocabulary, which is more
Yeah,
important, right? So reading
yeah.
and listening and speaking,
This
three things are much
speaking.
important more than anything. So three things
Yeah,
any beginner has to follow so they can learn very nicely
yeah,
within very less
yeah,
period of time. Yeah.
yeah. It's very obviously thing. And brother, how have you been learning English?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. I also followed three things. Okay, when I started my journey, I also
Okay,
followed the three things. Okay, and I say these three things to all of the learner with whom I connect. Okay, so that's why still I
okay,
am sharing with you because you also, if you are following these three things, so you must improve your communication very soon. So this way I
yeah,
also improve my spoken.
yeah, yeah. And how long it's time take you to learn English?
Okay, yeah, it's a depend on your ability. Okay, uh, your capacity, I would say. How much do you have the potential of understanding the things in a right way?
Yeah,
Some of people quickly learn, some of people gradually learn, right? Anything. So it's up to
okay,
you, like how fastly you are going to learn. Okay.
okay, okay.
Yes. There is no certain time.
Yeah. If I ask you what was your English journey when from you start English journey, and how you thought that I have to learn English?
Yeah, good questions. Actually, English is a mandatory for every individual's life. So when I completed my graduation, so I got to know after clicking. I mean, if you really want to join any companies, so first of all, you have to crack the interview, and all the
Okay,
interview has been conducted through the English language. Okay, you have to give the interview through this way. So that
okay,
was the issue. That's why I consider I have to improve this communication. So it would be much convenient for me to have the job any companies. So that's why I had to learn.
Yeah, yeah, it's very good. And brother, and when you are free, and what do you like to do most time?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mostly I like to watch English content. So so that give me a
Yeah, I
proper
think
understanding.
you are also following some YouTubers.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Hello, am I
Yeah.
audible?
You. Yes. You are audible. Yes.
Uh, I was that if I you follow some
Sorry.
or
Sorry. Actually, network problem. I think your video has been stuck. Network problem. Oh my
okay,
God.
because of village area, that's why I think some network
Okay.
issue.
You
Now
you you again call me. You again call me. You totally stuck.